So hello guys and welcome back to another video. We are in the truck today and Dad has not got a clue where we're going.
It's not good, not good. It's definitely not a good day.
We've jumped in the truck. We're going to London today to pick up a car. Now I have broken almost every single rule that I normally use when buying this car because I've agreed a price over the phone. I haven't gone and viewed it and it's actually been in a previous accident. Yeah. So it's been in a previous accident. Dad doesn't know anything about it. You guys will from the thumbnail, but we are about 25 minutes away.
Can I turn around and go back?
And now I've got about 25 minutes of moaning from him because it's been in the previous accident before.
Are you up your trolley? Oh, mate, you wasted a Saturday morning.
I haven't. Well, I've not wasted it because I've agreed a price and that's it. I bought it. It's mine. The bloke's secured it for me. So we're 25 minutes away and fingers crossed when we get there it'll be all right. Right, so we're nearly at the property. I'm not going to film when I'm there because I haven't really asked for permission and I don't really, well, I just don't think it's the right thing to do. But what?
That's that place we dropped the car off.
What?
Fit 500.
Where?
There, that house there.
Oh yeah, it is.
Where are we parking?
Let's park it here. There we go.
Oh, right.
Right, so the penny's finally dropped for him.
Penny's dropped.
The penny's
You thought your dad was stupid, didn't you?
The penny has finally dropped for him. So we have bought the car back from the people who used to own it. They have had an accident in it and they don't want to claim for insurance. So we have bought it. And that's what I mean by it's been in the previous accident before.
All right. I thought to myself, hold up a minute, I recognise this place.
So we're going to get out now, go and have a look around the car, go and meet him again. That's the damage.
Is that it?
That's it. But he reckons...
Oh, it's not the wheel back?
Yeah, it's not the wheel back and it's burst the other wheel because he got squished. But he thinks that it's not running and driving properly, so I think it's probably knocked out a bit of suspension. But, oh look, it hasn't been cleaned at all since we've had it. Let's have a look at the damage this side.
Done the wheel, just the wheel.
Yeah, the alloy for it is in the back.
Yeah. Does it drive though?
I don't know any of that. Right, so I've pulled it away from the person's flat. Let's walk around it. What do you think?
What happened? She got...
So she got sandwiched between another car and the curb, and she had to go up the curb and it's popped that wheel, and that's why it's got the space saver on it. And then yeah, the damage to the other car was on that side. But you've already repaired this wing once.
Have I done that wing?
Yeah, that was the wing. Look. Oh yeah,
bit of filler in it.
Filler work. But yeah, guess how many miles they've done since they last got it. Since they've got it.
200?
700 miles.
700 miles?
700 miles.
Well, it ain't gone wrong with 700 miles, ain't bad then, is it?
No, definitely not. Definitely not.
Pigeon, isn't it? It's coming on.
It's filthy, ain't it? We're going to need to give it a really good wash. No, I definitely have. But we, at the time, when it come from Copart, I only had one key. But at the time, we got another key cut for it.
They did?
No, we did. Oh, so it's got two keys with it. Actually, it's a Fiat key, so... Oh, no, this was the one where we found the key in it.
Oh, was it?
Yeah. Yeah, it was. So put them in there, but inside's nice and clean. Well, you should think so around 700 miles. The outside's absolutely filthy, ain't it? We definitely think that, well...
I think they've been parked under a tree.
Yeah.
What happened to it then, did it? Why hadn't she had it repaired?
Because they just don't want to go for insurance, they just don't want the faff of it.
Oh, right.
So they come to me and I've bought it off them. It's popped it.
I think we got these rooms, haven't we?
Yeah, we have. We've got those rooms already at home. So that's a fine example of it, well, especially with how much insurance is.
That was me thinking about you bought a car but it had been damaged previously.
Yeah, it had been damaged previously. So like I was saying, that's a good example, guys, that if you don't want to claim for your insurance, because well, we all know how high insurance premiums are nowadays. If you don't claim for your insurance and you've had an accident, then contact me and I'll buy it off you. But we need to go and get loaded up on the truck now, don't we?
Oh well, at least it ain't a bad day then.
Oh, honestly guys, you should have heard him as soon as I put that camera off and was in the truck. Oh, I've told you, never buy a previous accident car. Oh God, I didn't tell him, but as soon as he pulled up outside that house, everything started to click. So he's just getting the ramps out now, so we'll get loaded on the truck.
Oh well, guys, I take back what I said. He's a numpty. It's not too bad. I suppose for some you win, and some of the others you ain't. So ain't too bad, is it? Not too bad, is it? Don't know what's wrong with this wheel's gone back in the leg. Oh dear. Oh dear, oh dear. It's moving quite a bit, isn't it?
We're moving, yeah. Oh bloody hell, that's got a little bit of movement in that, ain't it? That's got a little bit of movement in that. If it snapped.
Oh, snapped the bottom arm, wishbone. Snapped the wishbone in half.
Oh my god, yeah.
Can you see that?
Yeah, I can see that. Oh. Good job we didn't drive it too far. Yeah. Let's get it strapped up and get in that truck. We're now home and we've just unloaded it off the truck, ready to give it a wash. Well, what do you think?
Well, yes. Cool.
Worth a journey?
Yeah, it's a car we previously sold.
Yeah, we previously repaired.
Yeah, and they come back with it, so yeah, it's good. Isn't it?
Yeah, I mean...
anything on it?
No, exactly.
No damage at all.
The damage on it is so minimal. I mean, compared to what we first bought it, barely no damage,
no, because when we bought it before, it had a bit on the tailgate, wasn't it?
Yeah,
and
tailgate, done that quarter, done repairing that bumper, and then repaired this wing. So you're just going to be repairing this wing again.
Yeah, we've got to paint, haven't we? So
yeah, are you going to make it go again, or you want to get another one? I mean, we've got to take the front bumper off anyway to do that front arm, haven't we?
Yeah, we'll take the liner off and I'll straighten that wing.
Yeah, okay. There's a little crease in it there, isn't there? There you go, you can see it better now.
Yeah.
No, it's not going to try. A little crease there. But okay, we'll repair that again.
It's anyway, it's just moved slightly, isn't it?
Yeah.
We can once we panel beated that out and reshape that arch, we'll reshape that a little bit.
Yeah.
It's obviously where it's a clipped curb. It's going to need a bottom arm on it.
Yep.
And have a look, see if we need steering rack arms or anything that is damaged. So we look at that.
Well, yeah, we'll go through the whole suspension, but for now we are going to stick in 2 new tyres on it because 2 new wheels on it because the tyre on there does have a split just on the sidewall there, and then that one's getting quite low, ain't it?
Yeah, we've got some wheels, haven't we?
We've got wheels anyway, so we'll just put them on, and at another time when we need another alloy we'll swap them back over. But for now we'll get cleaning and we'll sort those wheels out. And just like that, it is all washed. Now I didn't show you guys all of me washing it because it does get a bit boring, I must admit, but give it a really good clean with the iron out. Gone over it loads of times with the jet wash. This brings it up, sorry, really nice. Only really now need to do the interior, which ain't going to take long at all because it's barely been in it, but it's all the paperwork for it over there. And yeah, we'll well, it's Saturday today. Tomorrow again I'm going to go over it, give it another really good wash, do a little couple of bits I need doing, do that bottom arm, so that'll be Sunday, and I'm hoping to get this done by Friday. I might be a bit optimistic considering the amount of stuff we've got to get done this week, but hoping Friday. Right, so I'm back from holiday and the Fiat 500 is now at the workshop. Now this car, I'm not sure whether I've already updated you guys, but it is already sold, and the person who was going to collect it now wants to collect it a lot sooner. So, sort of a rush to get it done, but it's Monday today, we've got till Thursday, haven't we? Yeah. So all that we really need to do to it is paint it, take it for its MOT, give it another good wash.
Do you need MOT in it?
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah, and put 4 years on it, because it actually run out. So yeah, let's get cracking.
Get on with it.
Dad is just about to start the repair on that wing now, but before we get into it, I want to show you guys how brilliant today's video sponsor is, Vehicle Score. Vehicle Score is a completely free to use online check that you can use on your vehicle. So we'll use the reg on the green one, which is CE66PXR. Click Get Score and it will generate a code between 1 and 999, and this has come back with 918, which is very good. As you can see, it says top marks. So the MOT pass rate, 100%. It'll give you the view count if somebody's viewed it on Vehicle Score before. It'll give you the average yearly mileage, and then they go tap that, tell you whether it's ULEZ compliant. And remember guys, this is all for free. It'll give you the details on the performance of the car, when it's taxed, when it's MOT, the last V5 change. It will also give you a breakdown of the score if you pay just £2.97. Vehicle MOT history will come up with all the advisories, And like I say guys, this is all completely for free. It'll give you little tips if you want to sell your car, vehicle lifespan, and this, like I say, is all for free. But if any of you guys want to check your car even further, or you are potentially buying a car, then you need to be doing your paid checks. For £11.97, you can click on it, and it gets even better guys. Click promo code, type in my code FS20, and it takes it from £11.97 to £9.58. £9.58 for a paid check, and look at everything that it covers. Import, export, salvage check, score breakdown, finance check, category vehicle, insurance write-off, 8-point price valuation, a stolen check, ex-taxi, scrapped, colour. I'm stumbling in words because it checks so much stuff guys, and for £9.97, why would you not do it? All that peace of mind it gives you. Ultimate report as well, it covers a lot of things. It also puts you into a £600 draw entry. So just another little bonus, you know, at the end of the month you could get a £600 bonus just for checking your car. I'm going to be leaving a link in the description box below that will take you straight to Vehicle Score's website. Do that check, especially if you're buying a car, or if you guys just want to find out about the history of your own car. And remember to use the code FS20. I know some of you in the comments are absolutely going to love this part because you always mention it. So here is Dad panel beating that wing. You're going to see him filling it and then sanding it back down. It's now all been fixed, filled, and now we're about to put some primer on it, aren't we?
Yeah.
But at least I'm not dancing alone. All kinds of crazy. You heard what I said. I blame you, lover. I'm out of my head.
Right, so it's all primed now, the wing and the bumper, and to be fair, that definitely was worth doing, wasn't it? It weren't worth throwing away.
No, I mean we could have gone and got another wing in the colour, but by the time we searched for it and we got the colour,
Yeah.
rather than just spend a bit of time on it, innit?
Yeah, so that's all done. Well, yeah, ready on to paint tomorrow, ain't it?
Yeah, painted waxy on it.
Right, so it's the following morning. They're all masked up now and basically ready to paint. Fans on.
Hands on,
Need to mask up.
mask up. Put that away.
What did I press play?
Press play. No.
Yeah, I did. Right, so that's another project completed. We've just took it for its MOT and it's passed with no advisories. So, well, as expected, really. Well, we went over it and we couldn't see anything, could we?
Nah, went over, checked everything with the brakes. It actually had new disc and pads on it, hadn't it?
Yeah, yeah, very recently done. So yeah, another project completed. That was quite a nice little turnaround, actually, wasn't it?
It didn't take me long.
No, it didn't take long. No, well, it was just picking it up. Really took longer, didn't it?
Well, yeah.
The other side of London. We dropped it there in the September, hadn't we?
Yeah.
And they only put 700 miles on it since, and that was
Is
it.
that all they done?
All they've done was 700 miles. But yeah, so that's another project completed. If they're going to HPI a car, who should they use?
Vehicle score?
Vehicle score. And what code should they use for a discount?
Can't remember now.
FS20.
Oh, FS20, that's it.
FS20.
I've been asleep.
FS20 at checkout. But with that being said, if you guys do have any cars that you think I might be interested in, then give me an email at fixandsalvage@hotmail.com. And that's it. We'll
Done.
see you all in the next
See you
one.
next one.